Hey guys, I'm going to jump into a quick training and show you how to sync WordPress users with the RazorSharp CRM on HighLevel. We've run into this a couple of times where we're creating users on the actual website, whether it's hosted within the RazorSharp CRM or we have a WordPress site that we want to sync contacts. When people register on WordPress, we want to make sure that we pass all that contact information into the RazorSharp CRM built on HighLevel so that we can sync contacts across the two applications. So if that's something you're trying to tackle, you're in the right spot. Let me go ahead and jump right in to this. Again, if you need support, you can jump over to support.razorsharpnetworks.com and engage with our AI chat widget in the lower right hand corner. And or if you are a customer of the RazorSharp Networks CRM, or if you're a CRM customer, in the lower right hand corner you can engage with our AI chatbot, which will give you access to our entire knowledge base. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is you're going to want to install the Zapier plugin. You'll log into WordPress, and then we're going to go to plugins, install plugins, and then we'll do a search for Zapier as a keyword. And we're going to go ahead and install this plugin here. And activate it. And we'll just confirm the Zapier for WordPress plugin is installed. Then you're going to, this will assume that you have a Zapier account, but the first thing you're going to want to do is go to your Zapier account, log in, and then you're going to go to Zaps and then create a Zap. You're going to land on the Zap workflow widget. You're going to do a search for the actual trigger, and the trigger that you're going to want is WordPress. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to set up this trigger event for new user, and then it's going to try to authenticate the account itself. So the authentication will come up. What it'll ask you for is your root domain, and then it's going to ask you for a username and password. I actually got to the step and I realized that I needed to install the Zapier widget. So I'm going to continue to WordPress, see if after we installed the word, it says authentication fails, make sure to click allow or accept on your permissions pop-up. Double check the account has correct permission. Okay. Maybe my password is incorrect. There we go. Simple authentication. So we're going to edit the name. This will be for one of our customers, Weaverville Chamber of Commerce. So we're going to trigger this event when we have a new user. So I'll go ahead and click here. And it looks like we have several different users here. So I'm just going to utilize my own user account. And then we're looking for the update in regards to what we want. So we're going to need Lead Connect. This one here. So we're going to add and update contact. And we're going to be looking for the So I'm going to have to find out exactly what these two lead connector accounts are so that I can figure out if we've already got a connection set up, because I don't want to set up an additional connection if we don't need to. So I'm going to pause this. We're going to need to create a connection to lead connector. I will verify that process when I come back, but I need to verify these application connections, so stand by. So I clarified the actual lead connector connections. It doesn't look like I have an existing connection with the application. So there's two ways I can do this. I can either select the account, and then I can select connect to new account. It's going to ask me for the authentication and the API key. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to jump over to the RazorSharp CRM. I'm going to go to the application, go to settings, and then we're going to go to business profile. And we're going to grab the API key out of here. We're just going to copy it. And then we're going to paste that in here. And this will give Zapier permission in order to access the API. And this is going to be the Weaverville Chamber of Commerce, our RazorSharp CRM connection. So we're going to add and update contacts. We're going to go ahead and select continue. And then we'll just go in here and map these fields. So first name, last name. We don't need the full name. We'll go phone number. Doesn't look like there is a phone. Email, definitely. We'll see if there's an address. There's no address field. I'll go ahead and select Copilot Suggestions, see if we can. So in here I'm going to go username. Just so we have it for our records. Go ahead and select continue. Go ahead and test that step. It looks like that it was published. We got confirmation. And then what I'll do is I'll come back over to the RazorSharp CRM. We're going to go contacts. As you can see here, we have I think that I will update the username field. Go back to configure. We're going to go to notes. I'm going to remove this field here. We'll go ahead and we're going to rename this. We'll go ahead and publish that. And then we should be good to go. That's all I got for you guys today. I got my plant growing over here in the corner. But again, if you have any questions, go ahead and leave them in the comments of this video. If you have a need in order to build out your AI chatbots in order to help you move contacts through the customer journey more rapidly than ever before, go ahead and leave that in the comments of this video and we'll get those handled for you. Or if you have any questions about AI and or workflow automation or customer lifecycle automation AI, go ahead and let us know, and we'll get those answered for you as quickly as possible. That's all I got for you today. As always, make today and every day a fantastic day. We'll talk with you real soon.